Hello everyone, welcome to part 83 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So in this part we are going to work on the clear card functionality. So we are going to empty the card whenever the user clicks on this clear card button. Okay, so we are going to clear card in Laravel. Okay, so here you can see the clear card button is here. So once the user clicks on this clear card, the card will get empty. Okay, all the products will get deleted. So we are going to work on this one, and also we are going to put some check as well, like we are putting the check here in the delete. Here also we are going to put the check that if in case the user by mistake clicks on this clear card button. So let's follow the instruction under the video. And the first thing is that we are going to modify this clear card button, and we are going to add the empty card class. And that thing we are going to do, we are going to modify this clear card in card items. So I'm going to open this card items, and here we'll modify this one clear card link. Okay, so this one we are going to modify, and here you can see that we are required to align it as well. And here we are using the empty card class, and now the link is not going anywhere. Okay, so and now we are going to add the empty card jQuery function that will run every time when user will click on this empty card, this clear card button. Okay, so this class will come into effect, and it will just call the function that we are going to create in custom.js file located at the front, and this function will get called. Okay, so on click of the event, this function will get called empty card class. Okay, so first we are going to check whether the user, we are going to confirm whether the user actually want to empty the card, and if the user clicks on yes, then we are going to empty the card. Okay, we are going to call this function, this route, empty card route, and that will call the empty card function in which we are going to empty the card. So we are going to create this empty card route in web.php file. So this route we are going to add in web.php file, that will send the control to this empty card function that we are going to create under ProductController located at the front. So here we are going to create this empty card function that will actually empty the card. Okay, so this function we are going to add here at the last, that will empty the card. And here you can see this function will empty the card, and after that we are going to reload total card items as well as the mini card view as well. Okay, so let's check, and here let's refresh it once, and now we are going to click on empty clear card. Once we click on clear card, it will ask want to empty this card. If we click on cancel, it will not do anything, but if we are going to click on OK, then it's going to clear the card. And here you can see the no items are left, the card is empty straight away without the refresh of the page. Okay, so even if I will refresh, the card items are gone away, and even the 20-30 items can be deleted at once. Okay, so this is the way that we can make the card empty at all. So you can do this one at your end, and if you will face an issue, you can surely contact me. And make sure to subscribe as well as join this channel, Stack Developers. Okay, so Stack Developers is the first channel that brings so many videos and the latest videos in Laravel, with e-commerce series, basically e-commerce with MySQL, e-commerce with MongoDB, e-commerce with PostgreSQL. Okay, so you will become the e-commerce expert after joining, after subscribing this Stack Developers YouTube channel. Do follow the other series as well. If you want to create the e-commerce website with MySQL, then you can follow the another series that is currently over, but you can even run this one is the Laravel 10 series that we have done with the MySQL. And you can also follow the Laravel multi-vendor e-commerce series as well, that is also we have used their MySQL as well, and that is the complete multi-vendor e-commerce website that you can create like Amazon. Okay, so you can follow the other series as well. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.